Hi there, my name is Dave Smith of Total Basement Systems UK, and we operate very closely with Basement Systems of America, who've been in the waterproofing business for many, many years. And we have a group of specialist contractors right across the UK, and I'm here today with Larry Janeski of Basement Systems America. Larry has been in the waterproofing business now for more than 25 years and has introduced many novel products and innovative products to the whole of the water treatment industry. One of the questions that we are often asked by our customers is, what should we be thinking about when we're going to put a sump pump system into our basement to keep it dry?
That's a very good question, because when you have a wet basement, the latest technology is to install a drainage system that gathers the water at the perimeter of the basement at the point of entry and channels it around to a sump pump. The sump pump ultimately gets the water out of the basement, and if the sump pump fails for any reason, then of course you have not the results that you were looking for. You're going to have a flooded basement, and your sump pump can fail. It could have a mechanical failure, although we use the best pumps in the industry.
These things can happen.
But also the power could go out, the circuit breaker could trip, the pump could be unplugged by accident.
Yep.
Or there could be a very hard rain. This is rare, but in some properties there could be a very hard rain, and the pump is overcome. It can't keep up with the amount of water that's coming in for a very short period of time, but it overflows and it causes the whole place to flood.
Right.
So this is not the results that the customers are looking for. When you install a sump pump, you want it to be dry all the time. And so we have to install a sump pump system that will keep your basement dry all the time. So the elements of that are, well, first you have a primary pump, but you have to have backup. And we have a system called the triple safe pump system. And we have AC backup. So we have AC operated main pump, and then we have a second main pump that is operated again by electricity that is set a bit higher in the sump hole, so that if the primary pump fails, the water will rise above that pump operating range and kick off the second backup pump automatically.
Right.
And then in the event of power outage, there's a third pump set a bit higher than that that runs off battery power. And the battery is kept fully charged when the power is on by a charging and control system. And when the water rises above pump 1 and pump 2, it kicks off pump 3, turns it on, and it operates off the energy in the battery, pumps up to 12,000 gallons of water out on one fully charged battery.
That's a lot of water.
12,000 gallons of water is a very large basement in the UK filled right to the ceiling, so it's a lot of water.
That is an incredible amount of water.
Yeah.
We warehouse all basement system sump pumps here in the UK. We have a substantial warehouse located near Manchester, and we can deliver these products to anywhere across the UK and Ireland, from Aberdeen to Glasgow, Edinburgh, Leeds, Belfast, Bristol and London. So we have the capability to supply our customers wherever they happen to be with the right sump pump system from Basement Systems.
And if you're in the UK and you'd like an estimate on fixing your wet or damp basement, simply go to the web address below and we can make arrangements straight away to have a certified representative of Basement Systems who knows the latest technology to come to your home and give you a free written estimate for your consideration.